So let's talk about AI and your job. Everybody's really excited about how AI, artificial intelligence, can help us work faster. But here's the truth: if you don't know how to use AI and how to catch its mistakes, AI can make you look incompetent, and in some cases, it can make you obsolete. And let me be real, black professionals, especially black women, are often the first ones pushed out when companies start cutting costs, as we know. So if AI can do 60% of your role, they will try to replace you. That's exactly why you need a second and third stream of income right now that you can control. I'm Anne Marie, and I'm the founder and owner of AntiHR, an HR consulting company that provides employee focused consulting. I spent over 25 years managing and overseeing human resources, and I am also a licensed attorney. While I don't provide legal advice, I do share insights based on my deep understanding of how HR really works. My niche is teaching employees not just how to recognize discrimination and other wrongdoing in their workplace, but how to leverage their recognition of those things into negotiating a paid exit, severance, without having to hire an attorney or file a legal claim. And here's the thing: human resources will never tell you that this exists because HR is not your friend. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video, comment, but do so constructively, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss when I drop a new video. Now, let me give you a couple of real world examples of why you need to be very careful with AI. Recently, in the state of New York, two attorneys submitted a legal brief to a federal judge that cited 6 completely fake cases, cases that didn't exist anywhere. The reason? They had relied on ChatGPT to generate the brief. When the opposing side and then the judge, Judge P. Kevin Castle, couldn't find the cases, it turned out that the attorneys had never fact-checked the work. The result? They were sanctioned $5,000 for what the judge called an obvious failure of responsibility. That wasn't innovation, it was laziness, and it cost them not only $5,000, but a lot of credibility. Not just with the court, but with their clients, I'm sure. Second, in the workplace, recently, Salesforce, a tech giant and one of San Francisco's largest private employers, cut over 4,000 or about 4,000 customer support jobs, reducing its support headcount from 9,000 to 5,000. Its AI-powered platform called AgentForce now handles around half of all customer conversations, roughly 1.5 million interactions. And their CEO, Mark Benioff, was very blunt. He said, quote, "I need fewer heads," unquote. So that frustration that we feel when we're stuck talking to a chatbot instead of a human, get ready for that to be happening more often, not less. It's not going away. It's becoming the norm, and real people are losing real jobs because of it. And here's the thing: I've seen the accuracy issues relevant to AI up close. I've caught ChatGPT giving me wrong information on multiple occasions. And even when I correct it sometimes, it still confidently spits out something else that's still wrong as hell. This is why subject matter expertise is very important. You must carefully read anything that AI drafts for you and be intentional about how and when you use it. And here's my anti-HR rule for my business. I treat AI like an intern, not even a virtual assistant, an intern, not an expert. Brainstorming and first drafts, fine, but you have to own the accuracy. Never outsource your judgment, facts, dates, laws, money, quotes. Verify them yourself. Build value beyond what AI can do. Skills, strategy, relationships, and yes, multiple streams of income, which you can use AI to build. And that's the bigger point here. You can't depend on your 9-to-5 paycheck alone anymore. Employers are already showing us that they will choose AI over people when it saves them money. Building a second or third stream of income is how you protect yourself and keep your options open. The Entrepreneurship 101 webinar series is now open for registration. This is my 8-part series designed to give you the practical knowledge and tools you need to build second and third streams of income without wasting money and time and falling for gimmicks or walking in blind. I will cover everything from setting up smart to websites and branding, to money matters, to marketing. And yes, later in the series, I'll also talk about how I use AI in detail and what it really means for my business and for your business. It's the roadmap I wish I'd had when I first stepped into entrepreneurship. It's the things that I wish people had told me and that I'm going to share with you. I start on September 18 with the session, The Truth About Becoming an Entrepreneur. I'm going to keep it real with you about what entrepreneurship is, what it is not, and the mindset shift you need if you're going to succeed. If you're an AntiHR community annual member, you don't need to do anything. You'll get access to the entire series as a part of your membership benefit. And that's only $12 a month to join when you sign up as an annual member. If you're a monthly member, you'll still get access at 50% off the registration price. So this is the perfect time to join the community and lock in your spot. If you're not a member of the AntiHR community and you choose not to join, you can still register for the entire series at a low bundled rate, almost 40% off compared to buying the sessions individually. Or you can simply sign up for the individual sessions that matter most for you and what your goals are. Either way, your registration will give you access to the live session and to the replay. So if you can't join in person on the dates when they actually drop and are live, you will still get access to the replay afterwards. You can also visit my website to see the full list of all 8 sessions and the topics I'll be covering. And there will be links to both the community and the webinar series in the description of this video. If this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more strategies to survive and escape discriminatory, hostile, toxic workplaces. And don't forget to check the links in the description to register for the webinar series or individual sessions in the webinar series. And you can also check the link in the video to grab access to other resources mentioned in this video. As always, I'm Anne Marie, and this is the AntiHR. HR is not your enemy, but they are definitely not your friend, but I am. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.